So we did an interview this week of somebody trying to come to ICU for the first time. And let me tell you, these are some things that if you're trying to get into ICU, you should not say. Do not tell the person that's doing an interview that you're only there to get experience so you can go to CRNA school or NP school. Like, don't say that that's the only reason. Like, I'm not saying don't tell them, but don't say that's the only reason. And if you choose to tell them, that's fine. But every manager and every hiring person is so different. Some people will support your idea to go to school, but some won't. And this really applies to every job. Never talk bad about the job that you're currently at or the one that you used to work for. Like, if you're trying to get into ICU and they ask you, hey, why are you leaving your previous job? Always make it about wanting to grow. For some reason, ICU like to hear that you want to grow in your career. So another thing that you may face going to ICU interview is the interviewer might ask you a scenario. So just be ready to answer that. If you don't know the answer to the scenario, please don't just dance around it, because we will know that you don't know. So you know what, I've never been in that situation, so I really don't know how to address it, which is another reason why I would like to be a part of this team so I can learn and grow. See how that works? We would much rather have somebody on our team that acknowledges that they are not sure, they don't know, versus somebody that just kind of dances around the situation. It kind of makes it scary, like you're not a safe nurse, you know. Lastly, if it's something about ICU that just like freaks you out, let's just say you're so uncomfortable with intubated patients. Oh my God, I don't know if I can do an intubated patient. Don't tell us that in the interview, okay? Okay, if you're new, we already know you're not comfortable with intubated patients. Don't volunteer information that wasn't really asked. It doesn't really help all the time. If y'all want some examples of scenario questions, let me know in the comments and I'll post a few scenario questions just to kind of give you an idea of what they might ask. If you stayed to the end, I really hope that these tips are helpful to you and in your next interview. Thanks for watching. Bye.